Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add music to your Instagram story. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. Let's just create an Instagram story. We can tap on your story right here to create an Instagram story. And for example, I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery to my Instagram story. I'm going to upload this photo, so we can tap on the photo like this. Then if you want to add music to your Instagram story, you just need to click on this music button. Then you can select a music or a song that you want to add to your Instagram story. You can select the music or the song from the Instagram recommendation right here. And you can also search for the music on the search button right here. Then for example, I'm just going to select this music, so we can tap on the music. Then we can select the part of the music that we want to add right here. And you can also add a lyric to your Instagram story. You just need to tap on this A icon. You can select the font right here. And for example, I'm going to add a lyric, so we can tap on the icon that we want to use or the font that we want to use. We can also change the duration right here. And after you're done, you just need to click on this done button. Okay, now the music has been added to our Instagram story. Then we can tap on your story right here to share this Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can add music to our Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.